Hi everyone. Walking is one of my favourite things to do, especially in the forest where all the animals are naturally grazing, and to be part of that is just wonderful. I've been walking in this graveyard many a time, as I have shown on my channel, but I had not walked in the area next to it, and I was absolutely delighted to find that there was loads of ponies and also the donkeys, which I tend not to see that often. The donkeys tend to be in Bewley a lot, so it was wonderful to see the donkeys, and I couldn't get my head around the fact that they're eating that gorse. It is so sharp, and obviously they've got big teeth and able to deal with it, but it's astonishing when you see them eating it. It really is sharp. I always love to see the wide expanse of the forest. It's so freeing, and although there's other people there and walking their dogs and everything, everyone's always very friendly and always says hello, and I never feel boxed in. It's just lovely. You can go off and find an area where there's no one about, and it's lovely to just simply enjoy nature and the ponies. And that's just lovely for me. That's one of the things that I enjoy. And I always love to see the birds as well. There's a dear little blue tit who appeared singing his heart out, and there's been a lot of robins around lately, and as the saying goes, robins appear when loved ones are near. So I always think of my mum because she loved the birds, especially the robins, and they can symbolise hope, new beginnings and good fortune. I love to see the sunrise in the mornings, coming up and breaking through the clouds and filtering the sunbeams all over the forest. It makes it look extra magical where everything is shining. By the time I walked back, some of the ponies seemed to be exhausted and they were either sitting or standing asleep. This dear little robin had come down where I was walking, decided to fly onto the gorse, and then he tried to pull a worm out here, but he didn't get hold of it. He couldn't pull it out. Thank you all so much for watching. It would be wonderful if you could visit again. Thank you all so much for your support as well. Take care everyone, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye for now.